Hello, today we are doing 85 times 8 and we are using the area model. If you don't have these worksheets yet, click in the description below and you can get these worksheets, and you can also get them with the standard algorithm with the same multiplication problems but with a different algorithm, or partial products. But today we're doing the area model. So for the area model, we have two boxes drawn here for 85 times 8. So we're going to take this number up here and put it in expanded form along the top. 85. These two are on the same team, they came together, but each one of them is going to multiply against the 8, which is why the 8 has to go over here on the other side. Now we're all set up to multiply. In this box, we're going to do 80 times 8, and in this box, we're going to do 5 times 8. Then we're just going to add them together. So if you've done this a few times or you're feeling confident, feel free to pause the video, try this on your own, and then come back and check it with me. Or you can follow along, and we're going to do this right now. This box is green and red, 80 times 8. This is a lot easier than it looks whenever there's a 0 involved. I love it because I can just cover it, forget about it, and just do 8 times 8 and then stick a 0 on the end. So 8 times 8 is 64. And then we'll put a 0 on the end. 640. Okay, that's 80 times 8. So we just did this. We did 80 times 8. Now we're going to do this guy, 5 times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. And we have just done 85 times 8 because we did 80 times 8 and we just did 5 times 8 to get 40. All we have to do is add them together. So go ahead and take these two numbers and put them in these boxes and see what you get. Okay, so we can check it now. 640 plus 40, 0 plus 0, 4 plus 4, and 6. 680.